I've currently head of legal data privacy for Petco Mexico and Chile. Petco, some of you may know, is an American chain brand of pet health and wellness stores where we offer all-in-one services in our stores. I've also been a lecturer, conference speaker, university and law professor. And going along the way, you see here, especially in countries like ours, where the law is like a gateway to different career paths. So if you study law, you can specialize yourself corporate law, you can have your own law firm, you can do family law, public law, but you also obviously government and foreign relations, everything like that is very much molded into the law. So I knew I wanted to be a lawyer since a relatively young age, maybe since I was in middle school going into high school. I always knew that was what I wanted to study. Nowadays, I know that young people, they're going into their, finishing high school, going into college in the US, and they're still not quite sure what they want to do. That's fine, no? As long as you have like a career path tries down the line. For me, I was one of those cases that I always knew that I wanted to have a law. And he says, a lot of people have asked me for this position, but I'm going to give it to the person who has never asked me for that position, and that is you, because that means I know you're going to really do the hard work and the task. And that involved creating new regulation, because we had a lot of urban development that was unregulated. We had irregular, here like in many of Latin American, Southeast countries, you have your formal businesses, but you had a lot of street vendors and informal businesses that pop up and down. So trying to get into that, supervising, regulating, and also at the same time being business friendly. So that got me into, I was very inside before in my previous position to the inside of the public administration, in which I had the opportunity to go to the outside, because now I had to relate myself with business chambers.